It's 70 degrees in the Chi, and I'm feeling hella alive. I love me. I love me and my quirkiness. What's up, y'all? So today is Thursday. It's currently 11:50 a.m. I didn't make it to the gym this morning. I didn't wake up until like 8:30 a.m. I see it's going to take me a little minute to readjust to the time, so I'm not going to even trip on that. But I'm about to head over to Bobby's place, and we have like a little one-on-one catch-up session. And I have a couple other one-on-ones later today. So, hold on, let me roll the window up. Okay, yeah. So I have a couple other one-on-ones later today. So my day is going to be kind of similar as yesterday with back-to-back meetings and stuff like that. And then this evening, I'm attending an event that Bobby... It's so hot, I gotta talk quick. I am attending an event that Bobby is the guest speaker at. So that should be fun. And then later on, I'm going to pack my bag because I'm going to be going out of town this weekend. So I need to prepare for that. It's a little mini road trip. But yeah, just want to give y'all a quick update. I'm sorry, I got to roll the windows down. It's so hot. I need gas, so I'm not going to turn the AC on right now. So I'll chat with y'all shortly. I need y'all help. So I'm packing my bag, going to Indiana tomorrow for the weekend. And I'll be attending the Indiana Fever's WNBA basketball game while I'm there. And I don't know what I'm wearing. So I'm trying to put a look together. I don't want to do too much, but I want to do enough to where I look cute and I'm comfortable. So help a sister out. Let's see. I've never worn these pants. Okay, I have these jeans. I've never worn these jeans. Ooh, these are not stretchy. I don't know. I don't know. I have these other pants I would not mind wearing, but it's like, what top? It's these pants right here. They're like jeans and joggers mixed in one. I've never worn these, but I'm trying to remember what look I had in mind when I got these. I don't know, but I think these will be cute and appropriate because you can dress this up or down. Let us see, baby. I wish I had like a cute white top to pair that with. I'm not gonna go buy anything. Like even if I had a white halter top or something, I think that would be cute. Or like a white blouse or something. It can't be plain Jane. You know what I mean? Oh, well, I do have this other top that I could wear with it. I just didn't want to be too matchy-matchy. And I feel like it gives matchy-matchy. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let me figure this out. Okay, so I just left the store. I was looking for like a white halter top to wear with those jogger / jeans that I showed y'all. But they didn't have my size. So I'm not going to sweat it. I'm just going to wait until I get to Indiana tomorrow and stop by a store to find a shirt. In the meantime, I'll just pack a backup shirt or outfit option just to be on the safe side, but I'm not going to sweat it. I'm not going to sweat it at all. Anyways, as y'all can tell, if you can, I don't know, but I am dead ass tired. Like, I am so exhausted. I didn't get my nap today, so my energy level is pretty low, and I've had a few one-on-ones. So yeah, I'm just a little exhausted, y'all, can't lie. But right now I'm heading to this wellness event that Vavi is a guest speaker at. I'm not going to stay the entire time. I already shared that with her, but I'm just going to go to, you know, support her, show some love and show face, do a little networking. Then I'm going to dip out so that I can make sure I finish my errands, pack in time, and get in the bed early enough so I can get a full night's rest before I need to drive first thing in the morning. There's so many cars on the road right now. So many cars on the road. But yeah, so I'm just gonna I'll probably take y'all inside with me to the event, and then after that I'm just gonna wrap up this video diary because I need to edit this tonight before I go to bed so that it's scheduled to post tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about rushing to edit when I arrive at my destination or anything like that. So just want to make sure all my work is done, all my ducks are in a row, and that way I can have a mind